Hey, what's up everybody? It's Brian Dean from QuickSprout, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a CDN on your site to increase loading speed and security. So your first step is to sign up for a CDN service, and Neil uses Max CDN at QuickSprout because it's one of the best out there. So sign up for an account. Once you log in, this is the dashboard that you'll see, and what you want to do is at the top toolbar, click on zones, then click on create pull zone. And a pull zone is basically where your data will be kept at the CDN so they can serve it to visitors. So under the pull zone name, you can put whatever you want. I'm just going to put Backlinko here. And in the origin server URL, this is actually the home page of your site. Okay, so you want to make sure this is the home page of your site. And then under label, that's just optional. You can give it a name like CDN for Backlinko, whatever you want that'll help you remember it. And then where it says compression, enable, you want to keep that to increase the loading speed of your site. And then you want to add a custom domain, okay? This is very important. You want to add at least one. We're just going to add one. So for example, you want to put something like speed.backlinko.net. Okay, so whatever your domain is, you want to add a subdomain here, and that will be where your CDN content will be served from. Okay, so you can name it whatever you want. You can name it speed, CDN, but it's important that you have the subdomain dot and your domain name. And once that's all set up, click on create. Once the pull zone's all set up, this is a screen that you'll see. And what you want to do is copy this URL here. Okay, so this URL will look different for your site because this is the account name and the CDN name that I just made. So it'll look different for you, but it'll always have this netDNA-CDN there. So copy this URL and save it in a notepad file. Okay, so once that's saved, head over to your hosting control panel and then scroll down to where it says domains and click on simple DNS zone editor. Then you want to choose the domain from the drop down menu that you want your CDN set up on, in this case backlinko.net. And then you want to scroll down to where it says add a CNAME record, and the name you can name it whatever you want, but I prefer to use something like CDN because that helps me remember what it is. And then you want to paste that URL that we just copied into here and click on add CNAME record. So your next step is to log into your WordPress dashboard and install the WP Total Cache plugin. And to do that, hover over plugins and click on add new and type in WP Total Cache and click on search plugins. Then click on install, okay, and activate. Once the plugin is installed, you'll notice a new performance area to your WordPress sidebar. So hover over that and click on CDN. Then you want to scroll down to where it says configuration and click on the authorize button. And if you're already logged into Max CDN, this will log you in, but if not, you want to enter your username and password here. And it'll automatically create an authorization key for you. So click on the copy button, then head back to the plugin and paste in this authorization key. Now under replace site's host name with, you want to use the CNAME that you created in your control panel. Okay, so head back here. In this case, here was the CNAME that I created. And you want to paste it here and then click on save all settings. Then scroll down to see if everything's set up okay. And under select pull zone, it already selects the pull zone that we created within Max CDN, but you can always create a new one from within your WordPress dashboard using WP Total Cache. And actually, once you do this, you're all set up. Your CDN is working. And if you want to make sure, you can click test Max CDN, and that'll do a test to make sure everything is set up correctly. So that's all there is to it. Sign up for an account at Max CDN or another CDN, then install the WP Total Cache plugin and configure it using the steps that I outlined in the video. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.